Alright, today I'm gonna share to you how to use the ChatGPT Open AI. Okay, so in your web browser, you just have to type ChatGPT Open AI. Okay, and then you click enter. After that, you have to click this one, ChatGPT. After clicking, you can see this. Actually, you can try it on web. Okay, so just click this one, try on web. Okay, so it says here, how can I help you today? Okay, if you want to make an application letter, you can type in here, sample of an application letter for teaching position. And then you just have to send a message. There. So the ChatGPT will give you a sample of an application letter for a teaching position. Thank you for watching.